Hi, I'm Tony Clark, Technical Program Manager at Unified Cloud. This video series will introduce you to the Cloud Atlas Integrated Toolset. The Cloud Atlas suite of tools support the entire cloud migration lifecycle from discover and assess, target and migrate, to monitor and report. Today, I would like to talk about the Portfolio Client and online portal for assessing databases. In our previous video, we showed you how to download the Portfolio client and install it on your local machine. Projects are created by selecting the plus button in the upper left of the Client tool. Click the Multiple Database Assessment Radio button and enter the name of your project in the assessment name box below. Here, you can see a project list that I have created. This project includes 3 databases ready to be assessed. The Portfolio client allows you to scan all databases with a single mouse click. First, select all the databases in the project and click the Scan button on the bottom right. When the scan is completed, you can upload your files to the online portal by clicking the Upload button next to the Scan button. In my CloudPilot demo portal, you will see a summary of all my projects at the top of the page. This includes pricing estimates for different database services, including SQL on VMs, Azure SQL, and SQL Managed Instance. Scrolling down, you will see a summary of the database assessment recommendations on the left. Click the gray Assessment Summary button to see the details on the database assessments. You can export these summaries to Excel by clicking on the blue Export to Excel button in the upper right page. This summary will include the database name, database server name, percent readiness, amount of time to complete the recommended changes, and a count of the recommended changes for each database service type. Go back to the Portfolio dashboard by clicking on the menu bars in the upper left to open the navigation menu. Click on Portfolio Dashboard to return to your list of projects. Scroll down the page to reveal the list of application and database assessment projects you have created. Choose a project and click the View button in the Take Action column on the far right of the page. This will redirect you to the Overview page for the project. Here you will see an overview of database readiness, the number of database changes required, and the amount of time required to make the changes. Scrolling down farther, you can access the individual database assessments by clicking the View button in the View column on the far right. This will bring you to the detailed assessment reports for the application or database selected. Here, you can review the recommendations needed to make your database compatible with the Azure database service you would like to use. We look at Azure SQL, SQL running on a VM or infrastructure as a service, and SQL Managed Instance. To review the details of any one of these services, click on the selection on the left. This will bring you to the details, including the changes that are needed to make your database compatible with Azure. Review these details and make the changes before you migrate this database to Azure to ensure that it will operate properly when migrated into the cloud. This concludes our overview of the new Portfolio client and online portal for database assessments. Please check out the rest of our Cloud Atlas instructional videos when you have a chance. Thank you and have a great day.